Actually, I was just asking the last question. So, good evening, good evening. If you are mission, what is the name? Huh? So, Rashmi. Rash. R. K. Rashmi. You are from which school? They are ran from the chief of the line. When you say, okay. The right there was some students are there. The first which chapter is going on? Let's start with this homework was there. That's the actual last one. What is PBSU? We are done the chapter 1. We started with the number. Okay. So act out the courses. You are this one. You are down. Good. Very good. Volume, see what he volume. You see volume, you know. Volume. So, sit down. Put it down. Only that is left out now. What is it out? 4 plus root 3 and 4 minus root 3. This root 3 here, this shell. Here and there, Kashmir. This rule construction done, number line representation done. Okay. Yeah. So 4 plus root 3. 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 4 plus root 3, where you have to put on the number line? Perpendicular 5. Perpendicular, why you need R? No need of any R. Protractor you can do. Then 90 degrees done. Then take one measurement, 4 and 5. That is a house 3 or 8. Okay, join with the 4. This is how much? Root 2. Again, you have to make a perpendicular 90 degree over here. Again, this is 1. This again cut it, that is 1. It's B. So this is root 3. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Then what did you do? From 4, cut the number line. Right side of the number line. This point is, let's say, P, and this is point Q. What is P? P is 4 plus root 3, and the Q is
4.
What was the problem for you, my dear friend? If it is root 3 means where you have to draw the perpendicular? 2. 2. That's right. Pakka? Yes, sir. So root 3 means 0 plus root 3, 1. Okay, so 1 and 2 times you have to do, that's it. Okay, root 2 means where you have to draw the perpendicular? For drawing root 2, where you have to draw perpendicular? See, you, this man, I'll throw him out from this class. He's still 0. Root 2. That's it. Where? 1. So root 5, where you have to draw the perpendicular? 2. Oh, 5. And on the perpendicular, how much unit you have to take? 90 degree. 90 degree, how much unit length you have to take on the height? Perpendicular base is coming as 2 now. Height is how much? 1 unit, which is 2 centimeters. Why we choose the limit?
We can.
Whatever. Okay, now
Yes, sir.
all constructions are over. Now your compass and everything has become proper. Run now all constructions. At the all not fine. At the constructions are all are with the geometry also. Bro. Chalo keep it. Huh? So everything is done. So I other day 2 days I will bring it in. Okay. Chalo. Okay. Dhruv. So don't play with this compass and all. Once it gets loose, no, then you will not use it. You have to buy a new one. Right. Okay. Compound interest, you know what is the difference between compound interest and simple interest? They come forward now. Arya, you asked her to go back. Yes, you did you ask her once again? Even if you asked once again, you know what is the total base are? You know. Looks like she saw the attendance sheet and okay, now. Yes, Kashmi, na. What is the difference? What is the difference between simple interest and compound interest? Do you know? And whatever you know, don't worry. You tell. When we asked, majority didn't know. Huh? And simple interest. Interest will increase, decrease, or remain stable, or what? Tell now, whatever you know, you tell. Oh, forgot. You know simple interest formula? PRT upon 100. PTR upon 100. What is P? R T in years. Okay. Simple interest principal will remain same in every year. Compound interest principal will keep on changing. That's why increase interest will come on. Okay. In compound interest, we are doing the chapter without using the formula. Okay, without using the formula. Now, that's the first, second chapter. Okay. Now, do you know what I mean by yearly? Every year, yearly once. What do you mean by half yearly? Half in a year, how many times you have to calculate? 2 times, 6 months. Quarterly, you know what's the meaning? 1/4. So in a year, how many times you have to calculate? 4 times. Okay, understood or not? Okay, wherever yearly means every year. Half yearly means every half year. Okay, so half time will be half. It will remain same. Okay, chalo. Now we are going to do. There is a set and this is started doing in your school. 1, 2 sums are done. How many sums we are done? 4 sums are done. Let's see. Let us compound interest. 2.1. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. All the 4 sums are done. Yes, sir. Yes. Okay. So try to understand now. If problem is there, we'll discuss. So we were talking about that repayment. No. Okay. I still not. Yes. Read. Arya, question number 5. Beginning of the 4th year. Beginning of the 4th year means end of the 3rd year and beginning of the 4th year. Okay, so this is not. You followed what is the meaning? Yes, sir. How much? What is it? The man borrowed how much amount? 1,200. What's the rate of interest? 10% per annum. He repays. Repays means what? End of every year he pays 250 each. Okay. Then how much is the outstanding? Outstanding. What is the meaning of outstanding? Remaining. Okay, start. Right. For the first year. Right. For the first year. Principal. For first year. What is the principal? 1,200. Rate 10%. Time is always, remember, 1 year. Therefore, I is equal to PRT upon 100. 100 times 10, 121, which is equal to rupees 120. Amount is equal to P plus I. 1200 plus 120. 1320. This page is written. Yes, sir. Right now, written. Okay. Also wrote. Written. Next is for second year. Second year. Oh, but before one more step. We have to subtract repayment. How much is the repayment? 250. Is 250. Now we will write for second year. Principal is equal to 1320 minus 250. Amount minus whatever the pay. How much? 1,070. She was selling 1,700. 1,070, no? 1,070, no? 1,070. R is saying 10%. I is equal to same PRT 1,070 into 10 to 1 by 100. Which 107. Amount is equal to P plus I 1070 plus 107. How much? 177. Okay, these are like units rupees. Next, repayment. Equal to how much? Same 250 now? Yes, sir. For third year. For third year. P is equal to 1177 minus 250. Subtract. 927. All of you subtract, okay? 927. Same rate of interest. R is equal to 10%. Therefore, I is equal to 927 into 10 to 1 by 100. 1 0 will cancel 927 by 10. That is 970. Always remember. And for amount 927 plus 92.70. 19.70. Repayment is equal to 250. Is it or not? Yes, sir. Read the question. What do you have to find out? You have to find out outstanding at the beginning of fourth year means principal. Outstanding at beginning of fourth year. How much will be there? 1019.70 minus 250 means principal at the beginning of the fourth year. Enough? Yes. Subtract. $769.70. Followed? Yes. No. Followed? Somewhat. Okay. Not difficult. All right. Steps only, these are only calculation steps are little lengthy, otherwise it's not that will be. But be careful, take a read and write. Okay, next question. Dhruv, read the next question, question number 6.
Indian banks would be 75,000 at compound interest for 3 years. If the rate of interest for the first 2 years is 15%, and then for the third year it is 60%. Calculate the sum neither will get at the end of the third year.
That is direct question now. Only the rate of interest at the third year will change. So let's start for the first year. For the first year. For the first year, principal 75,000 or 75,000 75,000. Rate R 15% time 1 year. I is equal to PRT upon 100. 75,000 into 15 into 1 upon 100. Cancel. Don't shout, I will ask you. 2 zeros cancel, multiply. Multiply 75 and 15. Got it? 11,250. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Therefore, amount is equal to 75,000 I plus P. Principal plus I. 75,000 plus 11,250. 86,250. Right now. Over. Amount. You know. That's the interest now. Then amount. Interest you got PRT upon 100 is equal to 11. Therefore, amount is equal to principal plus interest P plus I. That's a common rule, okay? Which is equal to 75,000 plus 11,250, 86,250. Okay, now for second year, continue till 3 years. For second year, P is equal to 86,250. R is equal to 15%. Now, calculate I is equal to. So I is equal to 86,000. I will ask 86,250 into 15 into 1 upon 100. PRP. 86,250 into 15 into 1 upon 100. 1 0 is cancelled. If you want to multiply by 15 and put 1 decimal, otherwise cancellation will be a long. It is not very long. Anyway. Got it?
Yes.
Idea what is the answer?
So interest amount.
Interest.
So 12,900.
12937.50. Is it or not?
Yes, sir.
You're right. 12937.50. Okay. Therefore, amount is equal to 86,000. That's right. 86,000 plus 86,000. 86,250 plus 127.50. I could be 9,187.50. Okay, you got it?
Yes, sir.
This is for the amount for the second year. For third year. Now for third year. Principal will be 9,187.50. Rate is 16%. Therefore, I is equal to 99,187.50 into 60 upon 100. Multiply and put two places of decimal. Formula written, one is written formula decimal. It's not required for every. What multiplication? Into 16 only is enough now. Why you not take it done? All of you got? What's the answer? Tell now. I don't know. What is the interest you got? I got 1586. What did you get? Huh? What did you get, Arya? You, Dhruv, doing. Answer is 15870. What did you multiply 991875 into 16 only done now? So it is coming as 1587 000 is coming. Divided by 100 means 15870. Be careful. Okay, therefore amount is equal to P plus I. That is equal to 99,187.50 and 15870. 0.50. 7, 8 plus 7, 15. Then 0. 1,15,057.50. Check what you have to find out first. You have to find out the amount only or interest also. At the end, how many calculate the sum? Okay, this is not. So she will get 1,15,057.50 rupees. At the end of the, okay now?
Yes.
Okay. Calculation mistake, don't make. Question, that was question number, which one? 5, 6 now.
Yes.
Okay, Bhargav, you read the 7th one. A borrowed
2,500 from A at 12% per annum compound interest. After 2 years, A gave rupees 2,936 and the
watch.
Find the cost of the watch.
Simple now. Find the amount and from there, how much is paid, subtract. Yes or no? Are you followed? So amount after 2 years, find out from there how much he paid, 2,936. You subtract that. Suppose 2,936 minus 2,936 minus. Let me hear. First is your principal now.
Yes.
Then you have to get the amount. Let's say if it is, let's say 4,000. He is paying how much? 2,936 and a watch. So what will be the cost of the watch? 4,000 minus 2,936 now. Understood? Sure. Okay, so right, for the first year. For first year, P is equal to 2,500. R is equal to 12%. T is equal to 1. I is equal to PRT upon 100. That is equal to 2,500 into 12 into 1 upon 100. Cancel. 25 into 12. 300. Okay.
Yes.
300. Therefore, amount is equal to 2,500 plus 300. 2,500 plus 300. 2,800.
Yes.
Don't mistakes. 2,800. Okay. For the second year, P is equal to 2,800. R is again 12%. Now,
Yes.
okay. Therefore, I is equal to how much? 2,800 into 12 into 1 upon 100. 0 is cancelled. 20 into 12, find out. Got 336. 336. Therefore, amount is equal to how much? 2,800 plus 336. 3,136. Okay. Understood or not?
Yes.
Then repayment. How much he paid?
He paid
2,936. Repayment is equal to 2,936. Okay. Therefore, cost of watch. Cost of watch is equal to 3,136 minus 2,936.
$200.
200 rupees. Okay, understood. It's simple now.
Yes, sir.
Identify, that is the question number which one? Venal learning.
7.
6,
8.
This is 7th one. Okay. 8th one. Yes, you read.
Borrowed 18,000 and 10% interest. Invest the money borrowed at 10% compound interest. Compound equal gain.
Okay, what is this Robin? He borrowed how much amount? 18,000 for 10% simple interest. Okay, then next what he does? He invests in compound interest half yearly.
6 months.
Okay, half yearly. Means for 1 year, that means okay. So that is all. So right for the simple interest, getting right for simple interest, P is equal to how much? 18,000. R is equal to 10%. T is equal to 1. Therefore, SI is equal to PRT upon 100. How much? 1800. 1800 rupees. Okay, that is the interest he has to pay. Now, next, for compound interest. For compound interest, right below. For compound interest, for first half year, not first year, for first half year, P is equal to, written for first half year, P is equal to, how much? 18,000. R is equal to 10% per annum. T is equal to, how much? 1 by 2. T is equal to 1 by 2. So I is equal to PRT upon 100. So what will you get here? 18,000 into, how much you are getting us? 10 into 1 by 2 to 100 upon 100.
900.
So cancellation done. Should I write?
No, sir, 900.
Written 18,000 into 10 into 1 upon 100 into 2. So cancel 18, 9 will come 900. 900 got all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Chalo, the amount is equal to P plus I, 18,000 plus 900, 18,900. Next, for second half year, P is equal to 18,900. R is saying 10%, T 1 by 2, T 1 by 2. So I is equal to 18,900 into 10 into 1 upon 2 into 100. So 189 into 5 now? 9.
9,500.
Cut and write 945, isn't it?
Yes.
189 into 5, 945. Done or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Mistake or not?
So actually, it wrote 904.
Therefore, amount is equal to 18,900 plus 945. 90,845. 19,845. Therefore, CI is equal to amount minus principal. Final amount minus initial principal. What the final amount?
900.
19,000. Final amount is what? 19,845 minus 18,000. 1845. 1845. That is a compound interest. Now, below, what is the answer? Profit, no? What is how much extra made, no? That is a question asked, no?
How much money does go with gain?
Gain of Govind. Gain is equal to CI minus SI. That is the extra is getting, no?
Yes, sir.
Gain is equal to compound interest minus simple interest. What is the compound interest? 1845 minus 1800. So fees 45. So that makes amount gain to 1 year. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
That is it. Any problem? I'd ask people to write on the board. Question number, this is 9. Yes, who was not read till now? No, you're not read. Read.
Find the compound interest on rupees 4,000 enjoyed in 3 years. When the rate of interest is 8% for the first year and 10% per year for the second and the third years.
It's direct now.
Yes.
What is only the thing you have to check? First year rate is how much?
8%,
Second year,
10%.
third year,
10%.
same 10%. Okay.
Yes.
So can you do it?
Yes, sir.
So all of you do. Should I make it to write? No.
No, sir.
For first year, write the steps and do it. Done.
Yes.
We also done. Also, group. Mark. Main group. Getting till where? Which year are you doing now? Yes, compound interest is going on a real number. Compound interest. First chapter, second chapter. Second. No, compound interest is possible. Okay. Okay, done now. So what is the amount of interest of first year?
Interest.
Interest 320. Amount 320. Interest of second year 432. Okay, and amount 4752. Yes or no? Interest of third year 475. Amount 475.2. Okay, amount 5227.20 rupees. So what is the question asked?
The question is asked,
Question number?
9. Find the compound interest on rupees 4,000 like you had in 3 years.
So first, did you find out compound interest? So right now, compound interest is equal to Final amount minus initial principal. Final amount minus initial principal. That is
5227.20
minus 4,000. Huh?
No,
One thousand.
Only 1,000 simply is giving it. So, 1 1. What did you get the final amount? Amount is equal to 5227.50 now.
Yes, sir.
What is the initial principal? 4,000. This subtracting is struggling 5 minus 4.
7.50.
Okay.
So actually it will become 20.
Yes, sir.
What? It is 20 only.
Yes, sir.
Then 20 means 20. Different value getting. So 1,227.20. Got it? Yes, question number. This was question number which one? 9. Oh, we have to fast complete this exercise at least. Okay, question number 10. Read Arya.
Calculate the difference between the simple interest and the compound interest on the rupees 4,000 in 2 years and 8% per annum compounded yearly.
Direct now.
Yes.
So for simple interest, right? For SI for simple interest, P is equal to how much? 4,000. P is equal to 4,000. Then R is equal to how much? 8% now.
Yes, sir.
T is equal to 2. Yes, SI is equal to PRT. 400, 4,000 into 8 into 2, 500. How much?
640.
640 rupees. Okay, that is a compound interest. Now, so it's simple interest. Now for CI,
P is equal to
P is equal to 4,000 for first year. 2 years now.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
P 4,000 R 8% T1. I is equal to PRT. 8 into 1 upon 100. Which is 320 now.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, A is equal to 4,000 plus 320. 4320 for second year. P is equal to 4320. R is equal to 8%. E1. I 4320 into 8. 430 into 8 you multiply. And
Three, five. 335.
sure.
Yes, sir.
3. Are you sure? Or 3, 4, 5?
3, 4, 5.
No, 3, 4, 5. Keep on changing this, man. Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
I'm going to change it.
So the difference is.
Are it different interest for second year? Huh? 3, 6.
345.60.
Whom do not multiply? You 3 multiplied or just seen? Okay. Therefore, you can write as CI is equal to interest of first plus interest of second. Amount also is not required. 320 plus 345.
665.60.
665.60. Therefore, difference you have to find out now.
25.6.
Difference is equal to CI minus SI. 665.60 minus 640. Rupees 25.60. Check the steps. Calculations, please don't make mistake. Yes, Dhruv. Okay, now rupees are not yet right now. Okay. Chalo, 11th question. Who is reading? What is 96?
It's simple. Interest rate or what you like. Interest.
Policy. Try anything English medium. So you should know English medium. English medium.
So the interest of the first year exceeds by 96.
So something now some English come. The people are toppers in English. Yes. So finally, what is it?
So it is the exceeded amount by
Amount. She's coming again. She's coming above again amount.
exceeded amount.
The interest of the second year exceeds that of the first year by 96. Means compound interest of the second year minus compound interest of the first year is equal to 96. Exceeds means more. So compound interest of second year minus compound interest of first year is equal to 96. What is the principle? 100. Is it given 100? Not given. That only you have to calculate. Okay, that only. Then what is the rate?
8%.
8%. Okay, so we will start with let P is equal to 100. That is method is easy to remember that form. Let P is equal to 100 rupees. Okay, for first year. First year, right? P 100 R what percentage? No?
Yes.
G 1 year. Therefore, CI you can write CI 1 is equal to PRT 100. 100 into 8 into 1 upon 100. Answer is 8. Okay. Therefore, amount is equal to P plus CI. That is equal to 100 plus 8. 108 rupees, no?
Yes, sir.
So for second year, if you are not following, tell me. P principal is equal to 108. R is same 8%. Therefore, interest CI2, second year's interest 108 into 8 into 1 by 100.
Eight point six.
864 by 100 is equal to 8.64. Written?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Now need to do further. Now, CI2 means minus CI1 is equal to how much? 8.64 minus 8, which is equal to how much? 0.64. Okay. Now, there is a difference. All right. When P is equal to 100, difference is equal to how much? 0.64. When P is equal to X, that will be your find out. Difference is given as how much? What is the difference between two years?
96.
96.
Cross multiply.
So you can do lot of ways you can do. You can write easier ways. X upon 100 is equal to 96 upon 0.64.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Therefore, X is equal to 96 upon 64 into 100 into 100. Are you followed what is done?
Yes.
Decimal remove 100 came cross multiplication. So 32, 3, 32, 2. 59,000. Check this. Check the steps.
Yes, sir.
What is done? Easy, complicated. 100 method is unitary method is easy. X means it's little difficult. You can do with X also, there is no problem, but it's a long one. Okay, are you following? Okay, following now. Lot of things to write. Tired. Okay, used to it. All good now? Okay. Difficulty is there, immediately tell sir, difficult, we are not able to follow. Then I will explain again. I wanted to make you people to do it on the board. Anyway, let's. Now she hands the penny on. Okay, next one. Who is going to read? Okay, you read. Just number 1, 12. So what you have to find out?
Difference between compound interest.
Of which year and which year? That means CI3 minus CI2 you have to find out. That's all now. Ian, we don't need to find out till 5. Do you need to find for 5 years? No. We don't need. Okay, so right. So right. For first year. For first year. P is equal to 48,000. R is equal to 10%. T is equal to 1. CI1. CI1 is equal to PRP upon 100. 48,000 into 10 into 1 by 100. 4,800 rupees. Therefore, amount is equal to 48,000 plus 4,800. How much you got? 52,800. 52,800.
For second year.
Now, for second year, P is equal to 52,800. R is 10%. CI2. So 52,800 into 10 into 1 by 100. Much 5280. That is CI2. And
Yes, sir.
A amount is equal to 52,800 plus 5280. Add. Don't make mistake.
8,000.
Huh? Don't make mistake. Don't make
57,870.
57880.
Yes, sir.
Check. Once again, check. I did not add 57080. Or you do this 52,800 by 280.
Yes, sir.
0808. 58080. So these people not finally I have to come and add now. 58080. Enough. Okay. Now for third year. For third year, P is equal to 58080. R is 10%. So CI3. 58080 into 10 into 1 upon 100. What is it? 5808. Yes or no?
Yes.
So that is done now.
Yes.
More calculation is there. You got CI3 now?
Yes.
Difference. Therefore, difference of CI 3 and CI is equal to 5808 minus 5280. 8.
520.
520 or 528? 528 now?
Yes, sir.
5808 now?
68.
Huh? Different value getting. Dhruv. And the I3 is 5808 now?
Yes, sir. I
100.
yes, sir.
Addition now.
Subtraction.
Fraction difference now.
Yes.
Okay. Good. That was a question which one? 12th one. Okay. 13, 2 more to go. Read.
A man saves rupees 3,000 every year and invests it at the end of the year at 10% compounded interest. Calculate the total amount of the saving at the end of the year.
So what he does? End of every year, how much he is saving? 3,000, na? Yes or no?
Yes.
So, end of first year, so right, end of first year, savings is equal to first year, savings is equal to how much? 3,000. Yes or no?
Yes.
Therefore, P for second year, and the first year means it will come for second year. For second year, P is equal to 3,000. R is equal to 10%. T is equal to 1. Therefore, I is equal to how much you got? 3,000 into 10 into 1 by 100. How much you got? 300. Therefore, amount is equal to P plus I.
3,300.
3,000 plus 300. 3,300. Saving, again he got a saving in the second year now. Savings equal to how much? 3,000. Okay, that is the end of second year. Therefore, for third year, P is equal to how much you will get? 3,300 plus 3,000. 6,300. R is equal to how much? 10%. Therefore, I is equal to 6,300 into 10 into 1 by 100. How much you got?
630.
Therefore, A is equal to 6,300 plus 630.
6930.
6,930. Hope you got it. All of you. Savings. Economics 3,000. It's on every year now. Therefore, how much you save throughout? End of third year, how much you paid? Total savings. Total no. How much you? Total amount of savings is equal to 6,930 plus 3,000. How much is that? Rupees.
So only 1 0.
Check it properly. Should be bit confusing form it will come. Not followed. 9930. Look here, end of first year, he says that will be considered as the principal of the second year. Principal of second year and interest he'll get amount of the end of the second year. And he's saving in this one. That is same as the principal of the third year. Interest he got the amount of the end of the third year and saving is the total amount of the saving. Hope you got it. Okay. Last question we will do it in homework. How many questions are there? You can do now.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Possible now? It's not difficult now. Huh?
First time.
Five,
No problem.
14.
Huh? 14 we'll do in the class, don't worry. First 5 only. Okay. Now I need to make you when the chapter 1 anything is left out here to do it.
Okay.
So 5 is enough?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
5, 6 questions.
Okay, sir.
6. Okay. 6. 1, 2, 6. Do the homework. Okay. Hello, bye. Use this pencil.
Yeah.
All right.